This is how I went to 4 islands in a week on a cruise ship throughout the Caribbean. We went to Miami for a couple days to see the city before we had to go back to Fort Lauderdale to leave.
We're at Azuka.
So good.
So good.
Yeah. Well, Maria.
Here, taste. You think you like it?
Yeah.
Here, take it far away.
Before we left, I got a quick tour of the city, pretty much going to Little Havana and the downtown of Miami, before the next day we boarded our ship. Yeah, show off your coconut. Show off your coconut.
My coconuts?
No,
I got 3.
coconut.
I got 3 coconuts.
Coconut. Singular. Singular.
Coconuts.
Singular. What? Once we boarded our ship, we got to see how insane it was. Food, literally everywhere you go. Tons of room for games, musicals, and shows. We explored the whole boat, including going to the main deck to check out the pools and slides, before heading to dinner every night, which we were greeted by our server, Rico, from the Philippines. And he had to be one of the kindest people I have ever met. Food served us every day at the dinner was so delicious. I love to try new foods whenever the chance arose.
Oh yeah. Where'd you go? Doing a happy dance. Doing a happy dance. Doing a happy dance.
I feel so at home in here. I love gambling.
Hey, I'm a fucking workaholic with a passion in my heart. Treating rapping as an art, which I have to be a part of. I just copped a new car to hear it start up. Try to do the right thing and please come on. All I want to know is where the fuck did you have to go? I've been waiting on you, baby. Why don't you leave and come on home? I can't be mad, I'm living my dream. Going all around the globe. You know you said you think you love me.
First stop was to the U.S. Virgin Islands at the port in St. Thomas. As soon as we arrived, you could just see these massive green-filled mountains that rise up from the beautifully blue water below. We arrived in St. Thomas, Charlotte Emerald or something like that. This is gorgeous. We quickly hopped in a taxi over to the gondola that takes you to the lookout point over the island and got some amazing views of the city, surrounded by the ocean and mountains. I'm so scared.
Guys. I want to record too. Give me a second.
Oh my god, we're almost gonna hit that one.
Come on. Okay, move over.
It's terrifying. Crazy views. St. Thomas. We're in Paradise Point. Gondola. This is awesome.
Hi, honey. Where are we?
St. Thomas.
Okay, show them.
I did show them.
Oh, you did? Sorry.
Yeah. I'm already 51 seconds in.
Oh, yeah. Okay, well, now I take the camera. Hey, guys. What's up? You like it here?
Yeah, it's cute.
So pretty. Pretty.
Once we got down from up there, we went to some local markets and got some St. Thomas souvenirs.
The water is so clear. It's literally like glass. Oh, it's cute.
Then jumped in a cab that would take us to Magens Bay, which is one of the most iconic on the island that is over 1 mile long, where the water is so cool to the touch and one of the most stunning beaches you'll ever see.
Right, Magens Bay. Oh, it's right up over here. It's gorgeous. Like, look at this water. Oh my god. So gorgeous here. The water is so nice. I got some of those as well. It's hot.
I've been waiting for the tides to change, for the waves to send you my way. I see you, darling, but you pixelate. It gets hard to take these days. But we'll hold the line, I won't let go, 'cause I'll be there when you finally make it over. And I don't mind, 'cause we both know that we'll be fine when you can finally make it home. Because when I'm in a room with you, that missing piece is found. You know when you're by my side, darling, nothing can break us down. I remember happy wasted days, summer's golden haze, and now lifting you above.
The view from the boat when pulling away from the island was so awesome though. Seeing the sun fall down and casting a shadow over the island.
You eating my mac and cheese?
You can have the rest.
Oh yeah.
What do you think? What do you think, Kenny?
Mac and cheese and rib.
Next up on the island chains was St. Kitts and Nevis, which is a very interesting island that has a view of the volcanic mountain, splitting the two sides of the ocean that is just breathtaking.
Sunflower, sunflower, my eyes want you more than a melody. Let me inside, wish I could get to know you. Sunflowers, sometimes keep it sweet in your memory. I was just tongue-tied. I don't wanna make you feel bad, but I've been trying hard not to.
We arrived at our beach there and had a wonderful view of Nevis, which is a huge active volcanic island. And when we got there, not many others were there, so we had a very peaceful morning and beach day before heading back to the cruise port, where we did a lot of shopping.
It's over there. Nevis is over there. Over that way.
Hey.
Your face hung up high in the gallery. I love this shape.
That little sliver, not this
this big thing, but that little sliver, that is Nevis.
Your flaws just died. Plant new seeds in the melody. Let me inside. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna make you feel bad, but I've been trying hard not to act a fool. Sunflower, sunflower, sunflower. I couldn't want you anymore. Kiss in the kitchen like it's a dance floor. I couldn't want you anymore tonight. I couldn't want you anymore. Kids in the kitchen, listen to dance hall. I couldn't want you anymore tonight. Sunflower, my eyes want you more than a melody. Let me inside.
My most anticipated place is where Benito is from, San Juan, Puerto Rico. As soon as you get off the ship, vibes are just there. It's like stepping into a portal to an old European city with gorgeous architecture and landscape.
We're in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Here's the Christopher Colon statue. We're at the Port San Cristobal, and this ocean is super. Like, I don't surf, but I would imagine this is like the kind of waves you might want, but I don't know. It's gorgeous though. Look, the port's huge.
Mientras uno está vivo, uno debe amar lo más que pueda.
I'm at San Juan Castillo San Felipe del Moro. Port. The little babies. There's definitely more somewhere. Oh yeah, there's way more. We're leaving San Juan. Here's our boat.
One of the best islands, honestly.
Yeah, it was good.
Had one of the best times.
It was good.
I feel like I was in Europe.
I would come back to Puerto Rico in a heartbeat. It feels like the most home-like place I've ever been to. Our final stop was to a small island in the Bahamas that Royal Caribbean owns. That's called Coco Cay, which I had a good time at and I actually found a lot of creatures in the water, which was surprising. But overall, it was a fun time,
I don't
but
agree.
not too much to do besides go to the beach there.
It'll make you smile and talk for you. Do whatever you wanna do.
We got off the boat the next day to head back to Michigan, where it's currently 0 degrees in the middle of a snowstorm, with the most flight cancellations in years, all across the country. We had to sit in the airport for nearly 12 hours waiting for our flight back home, but luckily our flight was not canceled, and even more luckily, we made it back home safe.